Spark plugs ensure efficient ignition, smooth starts, better fuel economy, reduced emissions, and improved engine power for reliable vehicle performance. My today's video is about top 5 best spark plugs for better engine performance that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at BDFHYK Iridium Spark Plug. The BDFHYK Iridium spark plugs are an excellent choice for drivers looking to improve engine performance, ignition reliability, and overall efficiency. These spark plugs are designed to be compatible with many popular vehicle brands, including Acura, Chevrolet, Chrysler, Dodge, Hyundai, Infiniti, Mazda, Nissan, Pontiac, Scion, and Toyota. Always verify your vehicle's year, make, model, and OE number before purchasing to ensure proper fitment. Equipped with fine iridium center electrodes, these plugs provide powerful ignition, quick starts, smoother idling, and responsive acceleration. The durable ceramic insulator helps deliver stable performance and excellent heat resistance, making them suitable for long-term use. With OE-level design and TS 16949 certified manufacturing standards, they offer dependable quality and durability. The BDFHYK Iridium spark plugs are a practical replacement option for worn-out plugs, helping restore engine performance while maintaining smooth and efficient operation. Their precise construction and reliable ignition capability make them a valuable upgrade for everyday driving. Now our second product is A-Premium Iridium Spark Plugs. The A-Premium Iridium Spark Plugs are a reliable replacement option designed to improve ignition performance, fuel efficiency, and engine smoothness. Compatible with a wide range of vehicles including Toyota, Nissan, Honda, Hyundai, Subaru, Kia, Mitsubishi, Chevrolet, Chrysler, Pontiac, Scion, and Suzuki models, these spark plugs offer broad application coverage. Always confirm your vehicle's compatibility using the correct year, make, model, and reference number before installation. Featuring an iridium center electrode tip and platinum core material, these spark plugs provide strong ignition, quick engine starts, stable idling, and consistent acceleration. The precise 0.039 to 0.044 inch gap size and durable construction help ensure dependable performance under various driving conditions. Engineered for long-lasting use, A-Premium spark plugs are designed to support optimal engine performance with a recommended replacement interval of 80,000 to 100,000 miles. Their high-quality materials and OE-style specifications make them a practical choice for maintaining smooth engine operation and reliable ignition. Our third product is SYKRSS Iridium Spark Plugs. The SYKRSS Iridium Spark Plugs are a high-quality replacement option designed to deliver reliable ignition performance and improved engine efficiency. Compatible with select models from Ferrari, Lamborghini, Porsche, and Renault, these spark plugs provide a precise fit when matched with the correct vehicle specifications and OE numbers. Designed as a direct replacement for OE numbers 5044 and BR80IX, these plugs meet or exceed OEM standards for fit, function, and durability. The iridium construction provides stronger ignition, faster cold starts, improved fuel efficiency, and reduced carbon buildup. Each spark plug comes pre-gapped at 0.7 mm, 0.028 in, making installation easier while helping ensure consistent engine performance. Built with high-temperature resistant materials, SYKRSS spark plugs are engineered to handle demanding conditions and extend service life. Suitable for various vehicles and equipment, they offer dependable power, smoother operation, and long-lasting reliability. With quality assurance and customer support backed by a 1-year repair and replacement service, these spark plugs are a solid choice for maintaining optimal engine performance. Now number 4, BDFHYK Ignition Iridium Spark Plug. The BDFHYK Ignition Coil UF333 and Spark Plug 7092 set is a reliable replacement solution designed to restore engine performance and improve driving experience. Compatible with various Toyota, Scion, Lexus, and Pontiac models, this ignition system kit helps provide a proper fit when matched with the correct vehicle specifications and OE numbers. The ignition coils are built with high-quality silicon steel material, Japan-imported rubber, and Germany-imported varnished wire for improved durability and long-lasting performance. The included iridium spark plugs with advanced ceramic materials deliver strong ignition, faster starts, smoother acceleration, and better engine efficiency. If your vehicle experiences symptoms like rough idling, slow acceleration, starting issues, or increased fuel consumption after extended mileage, replacing worn ignition coils and spark plugs can help restore performance. Designed by BDFHYK, an experienced auto parts manufacturer, this set offers dependable quality and professional-level performance. It is a practical choice for drivers looking to improve engine reliability and keep their vehicle running smoothly. And our last choice is Torch Spark Plug for Champion. The Torch A5 RDC spark plug is a dependable replacement option designed to deliver reliable ignition performance for small engines, generators, lawn equipment, and more. With a long history in spark plug manufacturing and advanced production technology, Torch provides quality components built for consistent performance. This spark plug features a 10 by 1 mm thread size, 12.7 mm thread reach, and 16 mm hex size, making it compatible with various applications including Honda EU2000i and EU2200 series generators, GX31, GX100, GXH50 engines, lawn mowers, and other small engine models. Always confirm specifications and fitment before installation. Engineered for fast starts, stable operation, improved fuel efficiency, and reduced emissions, the Torch A5 RDC helps maintain smooth engine performance. Its durable design supports longer service life while providing dependable ignition in demanding conditions. Whether used for generators, garden tools, motorcycles, or industrial equipment, this spark plug is a practical choice for keeping engines running efficiently and reliably. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.